Demir. Thanks, Demir.
I'm in the chat right now. Someone said, why does Ozempic...
Bro's got jokes.
Why does Ozempic have a winter jacket on?
Winter jacket is crazy. I'm crying.
I know you're hot though.
Low-key a bit.
I'm hot in a long sleeve. Did we come from this way? Why are we going this way? The other what? Yo, where are you guys?
Really just
Can you get paid on TikTok in Canada? No, right?
usually no, but didn't they come out with like some new program?
I don't know.
Yeah.
What, like key showtime?
And Deuce Gelato.
Yeah, they are, but
Like he spams every day.
I find for Snapchat you actually have to like
We have to
live
post.
live like an interesting life kind of thing, like every day. The thing about other social medias, you can just, you know.
You think?
Yeah.
Bro, I've heard that sound like enough for the day. It's like the 30th time.
Yeah, what?
It's like the 30th time I've heard that sound.
Wait, hold on, bro. They're not gonna know where we are.
Bro,
Bro, they were just behind us.
they know how to get back, fam.
Well, they have a
In
map.
the store?
What?
We went to the store.
Tell them the Perk store sign. Wait, where were they though?
But they were just behind. But I don't know. But you know they're looking for things. Slow it on, bro.
Back to the jungle.
George.
Alright, bro.
I know you're a Ben 10 type of guy.
Now, but SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Let me know y'all favorite cartoon.
I was doing our YTV.
Loki. Which one's the one with SpongeBob and Fairly Odd Parents?
YTV.
Yeah, that one.
I was doing that like
What's Patrick?
Johnny Test.
Johnny Test was still comp though.
This is like Johnny
Johnny
Test.
His dog Dookie.
Phineas and Ferb. Like these niggas never went to school.
Okay, Lily Bling Bling Boy.
104 days of vacation.
Okay, you're sucking.
Life maybe.
Like bro, they never went to school. Yo, they were still on vacation for years. Ben 10. He was comp.
Never watched.
No way. Really?
Yeah, I'm more of a Pokemon kind of.
Hey, no, you collected too.
Low key.
You traded?
Low key.
Now, if they were like girlfriend and golden, they would just tell them. Now it's like,
Yeah.
Now they're just TikTok.
I wonder an iPad kid now.
Okay.
Remember Vine though? Vine was so sick.
Mine was sick, yeah.
King Badge, D-Storm Power,
Curtis Lepore.
Lily Pond.
Hannah Stocking.
You were sucking. Someone else has comp.
The Gabby Show.
Okay, Bun the Gabby Show.
The Gabby Show diss track. Liza Koshy, yeah. Come on, let's go Vine for Vine.
Bun Vine for Vine.
Anwar Jabawi.
Who's that black dude on TikTok that... What's that nigga name?
Jersey Joe.
Nah. That black dude.
That's for his fucking name. Cut to the K.
I always forget it.
The Rizzler.
That was looking super famous.
Who?
That black dude.
Actually, I think speed is missing to me.
You think?
Is there bathrooms here?
I don't know.
Hopefully.
Oh, yeah, wood. You could have just snagged.
I'd say price gouging.
No, no bathrooms.
And that's why attendance is low.
Areas. No ice cream. Talking about ice cream. That's 25. Like KAWARA.
More eggs for Ryan.
Okay.
More ice for Ryan.
They don't have spray?
What's right there?
No spray.
Oh, spray. Oh. What spray? On your left, okay?
Oh, this can go on. This can work. This
okay.
can work.
Nah.
Right,
I
Ryan?
was saying for the eggs.
Jordan, this can work for eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is it? Flight team, stand up.
What's the best intro?
Like YouTuber wise?
Yeah.
Hi, Sanat.
Okay, Kai doesn't even have an intro.
Speed's outro is better.
Lonnie.
Green apples.
Frito.
You know about green apples.
Okay, I know. But it's just read, so I don't get it.
Just random.
Yeah, it just says it.
Fredo does have one of the best. In his prime, though.
Yeah, bro fell off.
I fell off.
Afraid. Oh my god, they got the SWAT team, fam. Man's just got swatted. Oh my
Girl
goodness.
Loki has Jasmine pregnant again.
Yeah?
Yeah. They cut back together.
I just cleared the scene out, guys. It's okay. I'm here. I made it. I made sure everybody was able to, you know?
Who the fuck are you?
I'm driving to that out. That shit looks like a
It wasn't moving the same.
Ballin',
like go opposite with it.
dreaming.
Fucking.
Already even moving.
It's like yo, who's that light skinned girl that follows with Am? What? The white boy Am? Who's that light skinned girl? Best friend.
Best friend? I forget. I knew the name. Might be the name.
Who puts it on like the best out of all of them?
Better looking as
He
dude.
puts it on?
Yeah.
You think so?
So you don't think Kai puts it on?
Bro,
He's just throwing shit on.
No, I thought you tried too hard to be like one of them niggas. Bro, cause,
Niggas.
yeah, look at his old drip. He used to dress like a New York
Where's crop tops?
crop top,
Okay.
bruh.
Boom. Is it a boom or a doom? We're Costco guys. You don't know that? Just me?
No.
The Costco guy? No. A double
Now you do.
double chocolate cookie? No.
Yo, you can press this button to take a pic.
What? Nah.
Yo, what's
Sure.
facing? Yeah, with the case on.
Whoa.
Silky's doing too much.
Silky, you're doing too much.
Nah, he actually does too much.
Silky, you're doing
Yo,
too much.
Seen that one picture of Silky's hairline, how they push it back?
Okay, that's Max. They push him back.
Nah, and
Oh, I seen Silky with the thing.
paper.
Yeah.
Oh, he did that shit himself, no?
I don't know, but
He cut like the two braids at the front
yes.
to get like a rude tapered hairline.
he ruined it. Why? It just pops more.
Yeah, it looks ugly now.
It does pop more, but when it's too big, it's like
Yeah. You just gotta.
Like somebody said, like the 3-finger tapered airline.
See, that's his.
Yeah, that's
Like
right.
the two braids are gone.
Like he ruined it for
Oh,
himself.
he chose to do it.
Bro, it's not like
And then he
after
used to-
time. Like he literally just.
That's insane.
Yeah, that's pretty tough.
You have to get a haircut every 6 days. Oh, that's insane.
When did taper hairlines even start?
I don't even know. It just started out of nowhere.
Pretty tough, Batman. Batmobile. DC.
Bro, I was like, what is a piece of dirt right now?
Sorry.
Crazy. You're good.
Yeah, look, you got the most aura here.
Okay.
You're good.
Bro, I didn't know Playboy Max is 03 as well. Yeah. I was wondering, like, why is going ass nigga act like that?
Back in the forest.
What's something like LSOG?
Watch out for Pennywise.
Yeah, 100%.
And the GTA 5 flips, bro. I love this.
It's hot, man. Men's are sweating.
Yeah.
Trying to get back to the site
And eat
and cry.
and thrive. Okay, man. Yeah.
Where's the end though?
And them no sticks.
No, Harry's in the mid. Harry's mid.
Let me find some.
Oh, knows all the shortcuts.
Guess he's been here before.
Hi.
Jordan Thrive. That smells good.
I was just saying that.
Simon was white.
And look at us.
Vic was the middle, but now he's nice.
No, Vic could be like ass, and then he got good, and then he went dead.
That's why I watched Vic.
Vic started. I'll go watch the episodes on Vic's channel though. Because Vic's
He
perspective was
actually
funny.
numbered them.
Yo, that'd be a vibe swing.
Yes. Look how windy.
That'd be nice.
Oh, we're just right there. Okay.
We made it back, yo. Home sweet home for the next hour.
We're just gonna be mocking.
We're sorry.
Like everything needs to be done.
Everything.
That's
done
not
up.
even bad as a spot. Still, like
No, it was nice.
it was
Super
nice.
close.
Close.
But nah, it's like after, bro. We don't watch it unless K sides. You can't watch a Sideman video unless K sides.
Should have done this one originally.
Yeah. Alright, back at our site. You want?
Yeah.